Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Kristen. I am a lover of colorful makeup and wrestling. Anyways, in today's video, doing something a little different today, I have some Project Pan updates. Very cool, so I'm going to link that Project Pan video, Potion Project Pan, as I named it. Yes, in the upper, whatever you call it. So, one thing I did actually pan, which I flipped up here really shortly, but this is the Purely's Watermelon plus Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. Ooh. I had added this in later because I had this in my work bag, but I forgot that I had it. And yes, that is all done. I used it. I originally got this with the Allure Beauty Box monthly subscription, and this was the reason why I kept it. But it was never good as that first box. So anyways, I have it empty. Yay! So I'm going to add that to my small little pile of empties that I will show you eventually, but those became empty a long time ago. Okay, and then also I'm doing a separate Project Pan, but for eyeshadows, but I didn't do a video for that yet. So I will probably do that with the next palette I choose, but so this is the palette I chose to go with for like Project 10 uses, and this is by Beauty Bay. This is the Book of Magic. This is a very nice palette. I unfortunately don't think it's for sale anymore, but it's very sturdy, but it's cardboard packaging, purple, silver, some of my favorite colors, absolutely. And so yes, so you can see I have a little sticky note here. I don't know if you can read it. Anyways, every time I would use it, I would just put a little hash mark on it, so I used it 10 times since I made that Project Pan video, so I'm actually quite proud of myself. You know, now one use constitutes even just using one shadow, which is fine. I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I want to get to. I don't want to just limit myself to one palette for like a whole year. But I will say, so this is the color story right here. Hold on. Yeah, that's a little easier to hold here. Beautiful color story. I love all these colors. I love purples. I love the blues. There's not too many neutrals, but there are. But the mattes aren't as good as I thought they were originally. They're definitely more on the buildable side, and if I'm going to have colored eyeshadows, I want them to be bam, in your face, bold, like the first time you dip them, dip your brush into it and then onto your skin. But the metallics are nice. Especially this one right here. That's crystal. It's just such an interesting color. So I'm not saying don't buy this palette if it comes back for sale. Definitely buy it if you like the color story. But yeah, just wasn't as impressed. But I know it's by Beauty Bay, so it's not like that costly either, so I'm not like super upset about it or anything. But yeah, overall, like if I was going to give this like an out of 10, I would give this like an 8 out of 10. So anyway, so there's that. And I was using the Game of Thrones by Urban Decay palette with it, but I didn't give myself 10 uses or anything with this. So whatever palette I choose next, I might use this also in conjunction with it. But yeah, so that's my update. Very, very simple, very fast update. I'm going to, when I choose my next palette, I will make a proper Project 10 uses for that eyeshadow palette. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more from my weird ass, because I upload every single day at 3 p.m. So I will talk to you later. Bye.